Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial I'll show you how to make these personalized business cards. To create my personalized business cards, I bought Embosser Stamp tool and it came in this case, and this Embosser Stamp tool is inside and it looks like that. I ordered one in gold color. It looks like that. It came in two parts. So this part is called a stamp with personalized logo inside. So that's my logo inside there, as you can see. And it bends together like that. And this part is called handle. It looks like that. So the stamp goes inside in the handle, and this stamp has two holes there, and this handle has two teeth there. So those two holes will go inside where those two teeth are. I'm squeezing my stamp together and inserting in this handle. So both holes of the stamp is attached to handle teeth, and my personalized stamp is attached on this handle, and it looks like that. Now I'll show you how I create my personalized business cards. I'm placing this card in between my stamp and I'm squeezing this handle down. And here's my first personalized business card ready, and it looks like that. So this is the wrong side and this is the right side. I will try another card. So I'm placing that card in between the stamp, pressing quite firmly the handle down, and here's another business card ready. Third card, I will stamp it in this direction. So I'm holding my embosser tool and I'm stamping my logo on this card, pressing it quite firmly, my logo on this card. And here's my third logo card. I will repeat the same process on these cards. This card paper is a little bit thinner, so I'm pressing very gently, and this is how it looks on a darker paper. And we'll repeat the same on this paper, which is quite thin, so I'm pressing that stamp quite gently. And this is how it looks on this paper. So that's the wrong side. And this really thin paper, so I'll press it quite gently. And this is how it looks. I'm super happy with this personalised Embosser Stamp tool. Also, I can stamp my personalised logo on this packaging card paper. So I'm repeating the same process, stamping my logo on there. It looks like that. I usually use this size card paper for my online orders, adding thank you sticker there. So it looks like that. And usually I wrap my bridal garters around this size card, and it looks like that, really professional. And adding my logo label, and it looks like that. And these business cards I can use for the earrings, piercing a hole on top edge like that, and piercing two holes for the earrings like that, and adding these earrings there, and it looks like that. Also, I can stamp my personalised logo on a sticker paper, and it looks like that. And when I pack my orders, so this is one of the lace blindfolds, when I pack this order in this tissue paper like that, I can stick my personalised logo sticker on top there. And this is how it looks. If you have any questions how to use this Embosser Stamp tool to create your own personalised business cards, please comment down below in a comment box. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this tutorial was useful. I'll see you next time. Love, Anita.